How to download pictures from TikTok without watermark. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download pictures from TikTok without watermark. So without any further ado, let's get started. So just head over to your TikTok application, and once you're inside here, just find out the pictures just like this. As you can see, I've already find out the pictures. If you can't see the pictures, you can simply click on search and just search in for any pictures by heading over to this photos section. So first let me just show it from over here. So as you can see, I have this images list of images, or probably like 13 images over here. So to download it, what I will do is simply long press on it and click on this save photo option, as you can see, and I can also select every images provided here, or I can also select the particular one which I like. So let me just select only like one or two. So for now, let me just select these two over here, and I'll just click on save, and I'll just look over my gallery, and as you can see, it's been saved in my gallery. So that's one way to save your photo. But what if your photo can't be saved just like that? So let me just show you. In that case, what you can do is, so let's say I want to download this picture over here. So as you can see, when I long press it, there is no actually download button or save button. So in that case, I will just screenshot the image just like this by pressing volume and switch off button at the same time on your mobile. And you can later on crop the image just like this by simply editing over here. So that is exactly how you can easily download pictures from TikTok without watermark. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.